then the other example that I have is of bioluminescence. So bioluminescence, for example, is like jellyfish. You know, jellyfish glow. And the other example I have is dinoflagellates. So if you could play this video, hopefully this one works. I have a short video.
I've seen these videos online. They appear to show glowing blue waves breaking on the shores of San Diego Beach. But this is actually San Diego. To find out exactly what's going on here, we talked to marine biologist Michael Latz at the Scripps Institution of Oceanography at the University of California, San Diego.
Well, this video shows bioluminescence that is coming from a single-celled organism called the dinoflagellate. And in this case, there's really high concentrations of one species, which is called Lincolodinium polyhedron.
According to Latz, this organism is known to form algal blooms, commonly called red tides.
These red tides are just a natural part of the ecosystem, but the challenging thing about them is that we don't understand why they occur, and we can't predict when they're going to occur. We know that there's a red tide when we actually see it. You look out on the ocean and you see during the day that the water is discolored. So it looks kind of reddish or brownish in color, but during the night, the organisms in this case are bioluminescent. And this is light that they emit from the cells.
In the wild, bioluminescence acts like a car alarm, going off at even the slightest bump from a predator.
The response by the dinoflagellate is like a reflex. So if it feels a certain amount of mechanical stress, then it's going to respond with a light.
So whether it's a predator going in for a midnight snack, or the crashing of waves, a surfer, or a curious kayaker, the results are the same: insanely cool, glowing water. Latz notes that while some red tides can be toxic to people, this one is harmless.
You may not want to go in the water because there's a lot of organic material and you may view that as noxious, but certainly it's really a delightful thing to go swimming at night, and please go with somebody else to be safe, but to swim in it and just observe the bioluminescence for yourself.
For Discovery News, I'm Jorge Rivas, and that's Bioluminescent Waves Explained.
Awesome. So those are just a couple of examples. I'm really happy to help with any sort of biochemistry, biology-related projects. So hit me up if that's what you're interested in.
Do we have any more IB mentors who are here right now?
We're good. Okay, so we're going to take a quick break so that all of you get forms. Since I think they've been printed.
Yes.
If you don't have a form yet, could you raise your hand? And we'll make sure to get one to you.
So there's two forms. There's the one for people who have to do an individual assessment with IB in the science classes here. That says IB.
If Mr. Science has got him, if you're not an IB student, raise your hand. Who's not an IB? Not IB.
Sweet. All right.
So Eduardo?
So in the meantime, are there any questions? If anybody? No? Okay.
Where's Eduardo? Do we have Eduardo?
All right.
Regular?
I can pass them out. All right. Here you go. There you go.
Anybody else?
So this is, we want to use this one because it,